So let me show you something that most scheduling softwares can do or is very difficult to set up. Basically, I have this form and I want to redirect people to specific scheduling links. If they hit, if they choose Spanish to go to the team that speaks Spanish, but I have folks that speaks both English and Spanish. So I have a queue here. Let me show you actually the queues. So for Spanish folks, this will go to me, and if someone speaks English, this goes to this team with this priority. So 1 out of 4 will go to me, but the rest 3 out of 4 will go to Paul. And just out for context, these are our scheduling links. So let me show you exactly how this works. And let's go with English, get connected. Here Zapier is assessing who to send this to. And boom, I was redirected to myself, basically. But this should go to Paul if I do it again. So just to try this again. There you go. This time went to Paul. So how I built this? Two things or three. The first thing of course, I've built the scheduling links using Fillout, Fillout.com. This is a great tool. This is a great form builder that has the um, scheduling link capabilities, and it's super easy to set up. Let me show you their homepage. There you go. The second thing is the lead router by Zapier. If this is a tool in beta, so you'll need to request access. But if you go to Zapier.com, on your side, you'll see the lead router here. So once you are in, click on getting started or look for the help here to understand how this is set up. But just I'm going to show you quickly how this is super simple. So first you go to fields here, you add a field that is called book link, and it's an entity that's related to sales reps. Once you have the field, you set up your sales reps here. Click in new record at the bottom here. And finally, you set up, actually, you first need to set up the queues. And these are basically groups of salespeople. So I have the Spanish queue and the English queue set up this way. And last thing is the router. So when you create a router, you need to set up 2 steps, 2 or more. There are 2 in my case. So one is the English one that will say, okay, whenever the language contains English, this goes to the English queue, and the other way around, if it's Spanish, it goes to the Spanish queue. When you set this up, The last thing you need to do is go to zapier.com. Oh, and by the way, one last thing you need to redirect from the form to the other two forms. So from the form to these two scheduling links, I'm using RelayHook. RelayHook is an app that allows you to do redirects in Zapier. Zapier doesn't have this functionality yet, so we created, and you can go to relayhook.com to create your account. There is a free tier for you to test this out, but basically the Zap is pretty simple, right? We catch a hook using RelayHook. This is similar to Zapier webhooks. Once you connect your account, the trigger event is new RelayHook. In the queue configuration, it's going to generate a URL for you that you can use for whenever. Let me show. So when editing this this form, you set up the redirect somewhere in here. Actually, here at the bottom, you go to ending, and you paste the redirect URL here. So whenever the form is filled, by the way, don't remember to add these the link parameters. But basically, every time somebody submits that form, it will be redirected to this URL, and so parameters are passed through the URL. And as you can see in the test area, everything is coming up here. So ID, name, email, and language. After that, you send the lead to the to Zapier Lead Router, and you select the router that you created here, fill in these fields in here, and the last step is to redirect back to the selected scheduling link. So here the input in the lead router, it's name, email address, and language, and the output, as you can see, is going to be the sales rep. So if you scroll down here is the sales rep with the specific booking link. And so the last step we need to do is just to redirect to that booking link. And that's it. If you need help setting this up, feel free to reach out. Look at the on our website or the booking link around here in the comments below or in the description. Happy to help you set this up.